Tierra de Maria is famously known for the 60-foot statue of the Virgin Mary. It is also a sanctuary garden where one could visit and reflect and pray. A small chapel is housed in the Tierra de Maria vicinity near the giant statue of the Virgin Mary. You can see inside the chapel the beautifully carved wooden sculpture displayed in it. Devotees of the Virgin Mary considered Tierra de Maria as the home of the Blessed Virgin Mary. These devotees regularly visit Tierra de Maria to offer prayers and also offer their time. There are several statues of saints inside the chapel. Before leaving Tierra de Maria, you could buy some religious souvenirs in a souvenir shop.